All right, last section of the chapter today. Quiet down. We're going to talk about circles in the coordinate plane. We are finishing up everything we've ever wanted to learn about circles and then some today with circles in the coordinate plane. Yes, sir.
Is this still going to last chapter?
Yes. Okay. So circles in the coordinate plane, section 11:7. First thing we need to look at is the equation of a circle. Okay. Equation of a circle here. The equation of a circle with center HK and radius R is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Well, that just looks tough and confusing. It's not that bad, though. What happens here is you need two things for the equation of a circle. You need the center and you need the radius. When you have the center, you plug in the coordinate. Okay, that's what this represents. You plug in the x coordinate, plug in the y coordinate. And then the radius, you're just going to square. So, for example here, write the equation of circle C with center 2, -1, and radius 6. What is my x value in that circle? X value is 2. So I have x minus 2 squared. Plus, what is my y value? -1. So y minus -1 squared. And then my radius is 6. So I plug that in. And then I simplify. I get x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 36. And that is the equation for a circle.
How do you know the radius is 6?
They gave me the radius was 6.
Because it doesn't look like it.
No, that's a different problem, isn't it?
No, I think it's maybe.
I don't know. Oh, that goes by 2's.
Oh.
It's going by 2's, that's why. Okay. The next part. Well, that's great if they give me the radius in the center. But what happens if they give me a center and a point on the circle? What do you suppose I have to find then? I have to find the radius. I have to find the radius. And how would I find the radius, would you suppose? I would use the distance formula right there. So when they don't give you the radius and they give you 2 points, great. We know how to find the distance formula. We've been doing it about every day for the last month. Okay, so I'm going to subtract them, square them, add them, take the square root. You get 2. And then once you have the radius, you take your center and the radius and plug it into your equation, and you get the equation for that circle. So pretty slick there. Okay, let's look at number 1. Number 1 here. To write the equation of the circle, I need 2 things. First off, I need the center. And then secondly, I need the radius. Okay. So number 1 here. What are the coordinates for my center? Ryan, coordinates of the center are? -1, -1. Awesome. What is my radius for this circle? Null, what's the radius? 3. Now remember, my equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So as I plug that into my equation here, what do you suppose that's going to look like, Max?
X plus 1 squared plus y plus 1 squared.
Nice job. Now notice, why are they pluses there? Because what were my coordinates? My coordinates were both negative. So when I get a negative and a negative, that's what gets me the positive. Nice job.
Is that really the answer?
Yeah, that's really the answer right there. That's it. Done. Number 2. First thing I need to find the what? Center. What's my center going to be, Tina? Okay. And then I need my radius. What is the radius of that circle going to be, Goldap? 4. Now I plug it into the equation of the circle. How'd that look like in the equation of the circle? Okay, what are you thinking there?
X minus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 16.
Nice job. Equals 16. All right, number 3. Well, number 3 is a great problem. Why? Because they give us the and they give us the center. So let's think about that. Plug that into the equation of a circle. And what's that going to look like? Oh, Drew, what are you thinking there, man? Ben, I think you got it?
Alright, you talking about the equation?
Yep.
Okay, x minus 4 squared plus 5 minus, or x minus, or yeah, y minus 5.
And that's going to equal?
Yeah,
64. Nice job, because that's 8 squared.
Yeah.
8 squared is 64. Good work. All right. So problems like 1, 2, and 3 are great. What's wrong with problem number 4? It doesn't get, oh, it gives me the center. It doesn't give me the radius. So what do I have to do to find the radius? Distance formula. So I do the difference of my x or my y values. Do the difference of my x values. You get 0. You get 5. You square them, add them, take the square root, and I'm going to get a radius that comes out to be, does anybody have the radius for me? The radius is 5. Now I have the radius is 5, and I have the center. I can plug it in. Gold up, you think you got it?
I have a question.
Oh yeah, what's up?
I got number 4, so if one's negative.
Just because you're subtracting them, you're going to square them anyways. It doesn't make a big difference on distance. I just always make it positive, so I don't have to worry about the negative.
Wait, so you're still putting in the formula?
Huh?
You're still putting in the
You can put it in the formula all you want to, man. Yeah, you bet. Oh, for the equation of a circle?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's what you want?
Yes, I want the equation of the circle.
Would it be like x minus h?
Well, what's h? So that's my x coordinate.
X minus 2
Plus 2,
plus 2
because there's negative. Squared.
squared
Plus.
plus y minus 6 squared
Equals. Nice job.
Why would you take the square root of it if you just leave it like that?
Well, that's a great point of it. Did everybody hear his question? It was, why are you taking the square root of it if you're going to plug it back in there and square it? You technically don't need to when you're talking about a circle here. That's a good, valid point there. Okay, because it's going to come back out to be the same thing when you square it at the end. You can save the step instead of taking the square root and just leave it that way, which is helpful for the next couple problems here. So try numbers 5, 6, 7, 8 on your own. What do you notice by number 5? It says circle X centered at the origin with radius 10. Where's the origin located at? Yeah, the origin is located at 0, 0. So take a couple seconds and try these 4. All right, number 5. Circle X centered at the origin with radius 10. How do you suppose that might look in simplest form? Ooh, Tom's got it there. Tom, what are you saying, man?
X squared plus y squared.
X squared plus y squared equals 100. Why do you not need the x minus 0 and the y minus 0? Because they are the 0. They don't even need it, right? So yeah, just simplify it to x squared plus y squared equals 100. Number 6. How would that look, Johnny?
X plus 1 squared plus y minus a squared.
Good work. All right, number 7. It's another origin problem. Okay, it's origin and passes through. What did you have to do? You had to find the what? You had to find the radius. So what would this look like in an equation? What do you say, Nalt? You got it figured out? X squared plus y squared equals, what did you say? 85. Nice job. Yeah, because when you use distance formula there, you end up getting like the square root of 85, which plug it back in there and you square it, it's going to be 85 again. So good work.
So like number 1, couldn't it just be like 5 plus 5 squared?
No?
Wait,
Keep thinking. Number 8. Circle B with center 0, negative 2 that passes through negative 6, 0. Again, that's another one that you have to find the radius and then plug it in. Max, what do you say, man?
x squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 40.
Good work. Because when you do the distance formula, you end up getting square root of 40, and again, square root of 40 is plug that in and you get 40. Nice work. All right, so there's the equations of the circle. Easy work. Next thing we're going to talk about is graphing the circles. So if I'm given the equation, well, how do you graph the circles? Well, 2 things here. To graph it, you need 2 parts. You need the what? Center and the radius.
Compass.
Yeah. Okay. Well, if I'm given this, how do you know what the center is? You have to kind of go backwards to your coordinates. So if it's x minus 1, that means my x value is what then?
Positive?
Positive 1. If it's y plus 4, that means my y value is?
Negative.
And if my constant out there is 9, my radius is then?
3.
And why is it 3? Because I take the
Square root of root.
square root of 3. Nice job. So that's what we're looking at. Given the equations, we have to find the other parts. So let's look at number 9 here. I have x minus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 9. First thing I need to do is I need to find the center. Where is my center going to be located at, Nick? 1, 2. And then I need to find my radius. Where is my radius, or how long is my radius going to be, Drew? 3. So I go plot the coordinates, 1, 2. And then from there I do a radius of 3. So I go like 3 to the upside, 3 to the right, 3 to the bottom, and 3 to the left. And then if you, then if you have this cool circle tool like I do, you just plug, oh, that's a bad one. Boom. Look at that. Circle right there. That is awesome.
Mine's kind of looks like a
It's alright. Not everybody's got cool circle tools like I got.
really
Number 10. First thing you need to do for number 10 is find the what? Center. So let's find the center. Well, what were the coordinates of the center B? What do you say, Tyler? Number 10, coordinates of the center. So 3, negative 1. And then I need to find my radius. What would my radius be, Tom? What are you thinking there? 2. So I go 3, negative 1. Radius of 2, so up 2, right 2, down 2, left 2. And then I take my circle. There it is. Awesome. Circle.
Mine is great.
Alright. Take a couple seconds, try numbers 11 and 12. Find the coordinates of the center, and then find the radius and plot them. Take a couple seconds, try these two. Look at number 11 here. First thing I need to do is I need to find the center. Where is the center located at? Frosty, where's the center? Negative 2, 2. And where's my radius at, Gabe? Or how far is my radius? 3. Up 3, right 3, down 3, left 3. Draw my circle.
Teach me your circle drawing tricks.
There you go. Number 12. I need to first my center. What's my center located at, Ryan?
The center for number 12
Yes.
is -1, -3.
And my radius. What is my radius there, Tom?
Your radius would be 4.
So negative 1, negative 3. Radius of 4. Radius of 4. Radius of 4. And a radius of 4. And I draw my circle. I'm getting pretty good at those circle things. It's alright.
My last one, it's so cute.
Alright, last one here. 13 and 14. What's wrong with 13?
I know
Where's the center at? The center's at the zeros. Yeah. My center technically at 0, 0. How do we know that? Because you're not adding or subtracting anything. So my center's at 0, 0. Well, where's my radius, or how long's my radius then? 5.
So it's on the edges, then you just kind of draw a circle around.
Boom. There's a circle. Number 14. I have x squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 1. Where's my center located at, Frosty? And what about my radius then? My radius there is 1. So I have 0, negative 3. My radius is 1. I go here. There's my circle right there. Equation of circles, how are you feeling here? Pretty good. Yeah.
Here is your assignment.
Here's your assignment.